Hello guys, what is up? John Mac here. And today I'm going to tell you a really cool thing. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to quit Terminal and tell you this. So, you've probably all heard of the Star Wars animation in command prompt you can do by telnetting someone. Well, I tried that exact same trick on this very Mac. I've just found out that the Telent Star Wars animation works with Macintosh as well as Windows. It looks a little different thanks to how the terminal's set up. Excuse me. But you can do this, in fact. Just wait a minute. I'll be right back. I'm just going to change the color. John colors. That didn't work. Yeah, finally. I think that's good. Well, I can't change the colors. So, let me just show you the trick. Go. No. I'm talking to the computer. Toggle.blinkenlights.nl. Now watch this. It works. It works. Yes. How the frick do you make this bigger? You can see the 20 sectionary text. There's the thing. Thingy mahooey what's. How the heck do you make this bigger? Is it Command Plus? Yep, that's the one. Now, ignore all this bash code and stuff. Oh, and the IP address for this telnet is 94.142.241.111. Here it is again. 94.142.241.111. And look at this. The Telnet animation made for command prompt works on terminal. Did you know that? The real animation is right around this area. Above it is my code, and below is my code. I could grab the one with color support. I tried signing up for 6s though, and they rejected it. Yeah. Speaking of which, should I go to 6s.com or? Okay, command minus. Not the window. Minus. This is very glitchy. But that's because it's made for command prompt. And because I'm resizing this. So ignore that. That's enough of the Telnet animation. If you want to see about maybe half the animation, the entire animation is 30 minutes. if you want to see like half of that, just go to my YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description to my video. Just click on my hand. Just click on my hand and just click on the annotation in my hand. Right here. Okay, got it good? Okay, got it? Good. Close that. And that's a pretty cool trick. I'll show you a bit of the video right now. I'm gonna have to unplug my headphones.